So we're in the car. The kids had they call it young drivers, where young kids from age
4 to 17.
Yes, 4 to 17. Is it 4?
Yeah, 4 to 17.
Wow. So from age to 17 can learn how to drive. They go for 4 to 17, and then they've also got for adults as well. So they call it young drivers, and also they have for adults if you want to learn how to drive in a constricted, controlled environment, not on the main roads. So basically they use the Lakeside Shopping Centre, and they've got branches everywhere. They've got branches in Kent, they've got branches in London, they've got one in Blue Water, they've got in Chelmsford, they've got in Colchester. So they've got quite branches all over the place. So it depends on which is close to your location and which is convenient for you. So we picked the closest one to us, that we didn't have to drive that early. We left our house maybe 15-10 minutes and we'll go here on time. To my channel, you're welcome to the channel. Thank you for staying tuned. So we, like I said, came for my kids driving lesson for young drivers. To me is 13, more is 16. So if you're afraid as parents to teach your children how to drive on the main road, this is a good start where your children can come to. They have instructor who will show them what to do. Is in a very controlled environment where they teach them how to drive. You can book as many slots as you want, the lessons you want. Like today they've done 30 minutes because we said let's come give it a try first, see if they like it, see if they're comfortable with it. So you book slots and lessons that you want, and for as long as you want it for. This branch, I think they are here once every other 2 months. So other branches you can book if you want more frequent lessons, which is what we did today. Booked 6 lessons. They've got discount, 20% discount. So it depends on what packages you pick. If you're picking a voucher package, or you're picking a certain number of lesson, they will give you 20%, but then you can only book your dates. You can't change dates. So but if you book with a voucher, the voucher gives you, if you book 5 lessons, you get 1 extra free. But then with a voucher you can actually then change your date. You can call and say, okay, I can't make this day, I want to come on that day. But if you book the other one where you just pick your 6 lesson, it's slightly cheaper, like £10 cheaper. You book your lesson, you get 20%. So it's like, compared to when you're booking with the voucher, so it's maybe £5-10 difference. Okay, so but the difference is one is a bit flexible, the other one is not. What you book is the date you get. You can't change the date, it's not that flexible. Unlike if you use the voucher is a lot more flexible, because when you use the voucher you can change your date, you can call in and change a few things, so it's a bit more flexible. And it's quite interesting to find out that you can actually bring your young children from age 4 to 17 to come learn before they are of legal age legal age in UK to learn driving is 17. From 16 you can then register, but from 17 is the legal age where you can actually pay for booking driving lesson, when they will come pick you up and you do your driving lesson from 17 in the UK. So the good thing about this is they can start early. So before they're 17, they already know how to drive, they already know what to do, so when you are then booking for proper driving lesson, you don't have to book too much slot, because driving lesson is expensive. So the thing is, you keep booking until you're good enough, or your child is comfortable and your child can drive. End up booking a lot more booking slots. Meanwhile, but if you do this at an early age and they've started doing this and they can already drive and they're good at it, so when they're 17 and then they want to learn how to the proper driving lesson, then they want you to book too much slots. They probably book 2 or 3 and they're good to go, and then they do their manual, they do their driving theoretical tests, and then they do the practical test, and then if they pass it, there you go, you got your license, and then you can drive, and that's it. And that's how it works in the UK. Some people do it over and over and over, and some people do it one time. My son did it. My other son did it one time, and he passed and he got his driving license. So today he's driving. So if you want to, encourage your children, and it's summer holiday, something to do, keep them busy. They can occupy their time learning this, and it gives them, for them to learn this before they're 17. They changed the floor. So when they got here too, the owner of the building, the parking building is in Lakeside, so they changed the venue, so from 6th floor to the 4th floor. So the process was straightforward. You check your name. It's a lot of instructors there. They come take your child. We paid for the ones that while they're driving, they can do a video and a picture in the car while they're driving. So when you're done with the driving lesson, they give you an SD card. Is it SD card they give you?
Yeah.
They give you a card where they download the video onto, so you can start onto your laptop or your phone and download it onto your phone or your laptop. To see your children, what they did while they're driving, the conversation they had with the instructor, the instruction given to them, and how they drove around, which is good. I paid for that extra. When you pay for that, they will give you the chip. It's like SD card where they load it onto if you want a recording or a picture taken of your child during the driving lesson. So I paid for that optional. So you pay is an optional choice. So you can pay for that. And this morning we all just had to rush out of the house. So sorry about the way I look. No makeup, no nothing, no brushing. Just luckily I have cornrow. We just jumped into the car and we came down here. We left a bit late, so we're in a hurry. So don't mind the way I look. Let's ignore that and let's watch the video and enjoy it. This is good information for everyone. If you're interested in this, and you want your children to have the same experience, I'll put the details below. Okay, I'll put their details, their link, everything on the description section. Go for the Toby and Morris driving lesson. 6, right? Up to the roof. Now move to 4th floor. Okay. Hello. Yeah, we're told they moved it to this.
Is it the first time?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Get
Yeah.
a drive diary.
Okay.
And you both getting the lessons recorded. So you've got is that you?
Yeah. Pass immediately as well or after?
Where's Mohammed? So, do you know where Mohammed went? Oh, he was in. Oh, he's here.
Me over there. That's to me in there. So it's Morris stand. Morris stand. That's to me over there going. That's to me right there. That's to me. And that's Lauren right there. It's called the Young Drivers in Lakeside. We just discovered this place. At the location right now, here having a conversation with the staff, explaining to me. We got there and they were explaining to us that they were doing a promo, 20% discount if you are picking a direct slot at immediately, but then if you're doing the bundle, you get one extra lesson free. So what's happening here is me getting more information about that to see which one benefits me the most. So basically two promo option, either bundle or a 20%. So that's what's been discussed here. So continue to watch and enjoy. Half an hour for 5 lessons. Then
The bundle or
give me both. I'm trying to compare the prices to see which one benefits me more, you know. So give me bundle for 30 minutes, bundle for 1 hour, and then the 20% discount one that's not bundle.
With the discount though, you'd have to book the lessons here. You won't be able to get the voucher codes. That's the thing.
Sorry?
With the bundle, you'll get voucher codes. But if you wanted to book lessons here individually, you'd have to book those for a set date and time. You won't be able to get voucher codes. Because we did used to offer 20% on voucher codes alone, but we can't do that anymore. It's like you can buy voucher codes, but under bundle only. And then if you did want to say buy a 30-minute lesson, you'd have to book that lesson for a specific time and date today. You won't be able to like buy a lesson and then book it later. You have to do it in advance here.
In advance here.
Yeah, and then if you did want to change the date and time, you can give you 7 days notice. But you have to contact our head office.
But then, do I still get 20% discount though?
You get 20% discount.
Okay, let me see the difference in price. So this say
see how quickly the revs go up with the clutches down. Okay, we're going to go straight ahead here. So the triangle ahead. We are going to stop.
so it's a lesson driving car. So the instructor has the same pedal where she's sitting to stop the car whenever they need to stop the car, but at the same time managing the wheel with Tumi. Here is my daughter with YoungDriver instructor doing our trial driving lesson today. Look at her looking so very nervous. Yeah, so she's here today learning how to drive. It's called Young Drivers, teaching young people how to drive from age 4 to 17. So stay tuned, enjoy with us and watch. Here the instructor teaching her what to do, on how to hold the wheel. The driver also has the brake pedal on their side, so in case of an emergency they can quickly stop the car. They help with the steering of the wheel, and they also have the brake and the accelerator wheel on their side to control the vehicle in case they lose control. So how was the experience?
Good.
Is that all you're going to say? Just good?
Nice.
What does it feel like driving a car?
I was nervous, bro, because it was my first time driving. I was probably gonna crash.
Then being on the passenger side.
So we parked on the 3rd floor because they moved it from 6th floor top roof to the 4th floor. So we had to park on the 3rd floor and took the elevator. The elevator is right over there, upstairs to the 4th floor where they had the lesson. So you guys, so how was the lesson? What does it feel like? What does it feel like?
Great.
Different.
I was literally nervous. I was like, okay.
To me, I can't see you more. Remove this in the middle.
I was like, it was nervous. I was nerve-wracking at first, but when I got the of it, I was just turning and then lifting my foot up gently off the clutch.
Did you lose control at any point?
No.
No. I mean, slightly, because I had no idea how to, because since it was the first time, I had no idea.
Yeah, you've never driven a car before anyway.
Yeah.
I've shown you the element of, the cars itself.
I didn't lose control.
But this time you guys did manual, not even automatic, so...
Yeah.
I went through the cones.
Yeah, it was just hard to do.
So when you entered the car, what was the first thing they did?
I was to turn on the car.
You need to press down the clutch.
Did they give you like an instruction before? Yeah. So what was the instruction they gave?
Press down the clutch and then press the buttons to turn on the
Yeah,
clutch.
so the middle, the side, the left
Right.
side is the clutch, and
Yeah.
the right side is the
The
accelerator.
accelerator, okay. And then what do you do after that?
And then we had to put I forgot what it's called, put the thing down. You
Yeah,
press
that's the
button,
handbrake. Yeah.
And then you
Put it into
down,
the first gear.
and then you move it to first gear, and then you slowly take your foot off the clutch and then move forward.
Okay.
And press on the accelerate gently to move forward, and then put on the indicator.
So you remember all this thing tomorrow? You got a good brain. I won't remember everything you just said.
My memory is normally bad.
Okay. Well, you did well. So you moved the car from one point to the other, right? Okay. So you guys drove around.
Yeah, in a circle.
So the instructor was next to you while you're driving around.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You enjoyed it to me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Like you heard from my kids, they enjoyed it. They really liked it. You know, we got in there. They already have all our details, and they changed the floor. So when they got here to the owner of the building, the parking building is in the lakeside, so they changed the venue, so from 6th floor to the 4th floor. So the process was straightforward. You check your name. It's a lot of instructors there. They come take your child. So thank you for watching. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment as well. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, and have a lovely weekend.